Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem in GraphQL about the difference between a type query and extend type query. Understanding these concepts is crucial for building efficient and modular schemas. Let's explore this issue together. Now, let's focus on the solution to our problem. In GraphQL, object extension is a handy feature that allows us to add new properties to an existing type. Take for example the code snippet, type query, greeting, string. This is a simple query type with a single property called greeting. Building on the solution provided, let's deepen our understanding. By using extend type query, we can modularize our schema effectively. Imagine a scenario where we have separate schema files. In one file, we define the basic query type with greeting, and in another file, we extend the query type to include book by ID book and author. This approach helps to organize the schema logically and prevent conflicts. To sum it all up, understanding the difference between type query and extend type query in GraphQL is key to building scalable and well-structured schemas. By leveraging object extension, we can enhance the modularity of our schema and avoid conflicts. I hope this explanation has shed some light on this topic for you. Remember to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!